Now, we start to draw a house-type layout. The basic way we commonly use is create walls, and on the basic of walls, we create doors, windows, columns, etc. Finally, we create ceilings. Step 1. Creating walls. The first option to create wall is click the icon of room. Then, you can see a room model, which is shaped like a rectangle. Input the data accordingly. Click OK to confirm. The second option to create room is click More House Templates here. And the system provides several room types which is frequently used. We choose this type. Input the measurements accordingly. Click OK to confirm. On the lower left side of the screen, you can see the button Undo. But remember, the Undo button only applies to the two-dimension layout. The third option to create wall is click the icon Free Wall, then creating walls in a way of point-to-point connection. And on the upper left side here, we can set the relevant statistics of length, angle, and thickness. For example, length to be 3 meters, and angle 270 degrees, thickness 120. Press Enter to confirm. Using the same method, and we can create a closed room. Right-click to confirm. Now, we use the first option to create walls. Choose the default setting of 6 meters by 4 meters to create walls. Then, on the basic of walls, we can create doors and windows. From the left panel, select the icons of door or window. For example, window or bay window. Here, we choose window. Use the mouse to move the cursor, and you will find out that the window is absorbed on the walls automatically. And we put it in this position. Then, right-click to confirm. Similarly, as for the types of walls, we can choose single door, double door, sliding door, folding door, or arcadia door. We select single door. Move the cursor on walls. The door will absorb on windows automatically. Pay attention to the prompt here. Left-click to confirm, right-click to exit. Press the space bar to switch the door's open direction. Then, we press the space bar. Left-click to confirm. If you need to create other doors, then continue on the process. If not, right-click to exit. We can also furnish the room with some girder or column. You can see here we choose column and input proper measurements. For example, 320 by 320. Click OK to confirm. And put the item in proper place. After creating door, window, and column, we can design the elevation of the room. On the drop-down menu, we can see many commands here. And we click Auto Ceiling. Specify a point inside the room. In the window that pops up, set the elevation. Click OK to confirm. We could see a red line here along the walls. Click the red line. Then, click Parameter, and you can see the elevation of the room. You can also change the data of elevation here. Click OK. Next, we can create ceiling. There are two ways to do it. Option 1. On the drop-down menu, click Ceiling Block. So, by the way of point-to-point connection, we could draw the model of the ceiling. Right-click to confirm. Then, Select whether the ceiling lights to have embedded slot or not, and set the proper elevation data. The second way is to create ceiling manually. On the drop-down menu, click Ceiling Block. This time, the ceilings are not created by the way of point-to-point connection, but by the way of diagonal connection. Left-click to confirm. We can either choose the ceiling lights embedded slot or not, or use the existing ceiling types the system provides, and we can also set the ceiling type and the elevation. Click OK to confirm. So, the ceiling is created. Done.